In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Roblox on your PC or laptop. If your Roblox is currently in light mode, it can be a bit too bright, especially at night. So switching to dark mode can make it much easier on your eyes. First, open Roblox on your computer. Now look at the left side panel and scroll down. Find the option called More and click on it. This will open the Roblox menu. From here, click on Settings. Now scroll down and look for Device Preferences. Click on Device Preferences. Here you'll see the option called Theme or Device Level Theme. Click on it and select Dark. You can also choose System if you want it to match your PC theme. Once selected, go back to the home screen. You'll now see Roblox in dark mode. And that's it. That's how you enable dark mode on Roblox PC. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips.